Let's look a little further into unit check-ins and how you can keep track of that in your reporting in Black Pearl. So in this Sandbox account, let's have a look at your service jobs widget. And if we go to the 91 new jobs that we have here, it will always take you to that top level report of what are the new jobs in your service departments. So we can go a little deeper into this one. Now let's look at all of the new jobs, and let's change that to, say, jobs that are ready. Now the jobs that are ready to be worked on, let's add another parameter. Let's look at, has unit arrived? And we'll want to say yes. So let's go ahead and apply this to the report and see what it brings up. So you see in this case, this is an instance where if you are using the unit check-in, you do want to keep that accurate in terms of what's in Black Pearl and what's on your floor. Because in this scenario, there may be half of these units ready to go and checked in, but Black Pearl is telling you that they are not. So that's where, if you're using the unit check-in on your service orders, you do want to be consistent in using them. So let's look at this from a different perspective. Now we have new jobs. Let's say these are new service jobs with the unit arrived as yes. Now here we have, according to this report, there are 4 new service jobs in which the unit has already arrived. So in this case, if this is true to what's on the floor, perhaps these jobs that are new may want to be ready or in progress, if it's possible for them to be in progress. So what we're getting at with this video is Black Pearl has the tools for you to quickly and easily run reports to know what's in the shop and not have to do a physical inventory count of units in the shop to see what is ready. Now that does require keeping your service orders up to date with unit check-ins. And now remember too that when you're in reporting, you can always customize your reports. And when you do, you can just rename them and save them. So if you were to rename this report as units new checked in already, something like that, save it, then you would see it in your custom search report here. And you don't have to generate that report every time. You can just click on it and find that report instantly. Same with the reporting. You might want to look at other items such as due date in, date promised, etc. These are parameters you're going to want to get to know in how to set up your reports to be able to quickly look at these items, the unit being checked in, due dates, dates promised, as well as then being able to look at that report and to know what's on the floor and to know what the customer's expectations are at that point. Hope this video has been helpful.